Hi all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Akamai is hiring through us. So they are hiring for software engineer and let's see who are eligible for this notification. BE Tech candidates from 2020 or 2021 batch from Computer Science, IS, IT, EC, EEE branch with 65% throughout, that is from 10th, 12th and even from graduation. All these candidates are all eligible for this notification. Let's talk about the roles and responsibilities part. Creating and enhancing new features and functionality including conception, design, testing and deployment. Owning and having knowledge on one or more components of web security. And next comes embracing service always available mindset through solid design principles, resilient software and operational awareness. Working with internal teams to troubleshoot complex problems in our network for our customers. Demonstrating a fine balance between time to market, execution, innovation and customer success. So what skills they are looking for? Should have experience or knowledge of software development lifecycle and writing code in C++ within a Unix or Linux environment. Be well versed in how the internet works with good hold on networks protocols. Demonstrate a keen interest in learning new technologies. Have an ability to solve complex problems through active collaboration with other functional groups. So what are the benefits provided by Akamai? At Akamai we will provide you the opportunities to grow, flourish and achieve great things. Our benefit options are designed to meet your individual needs for today and in the future. We provide benefits surrounding all aspects of your life, your health, your finances, your family, your time at work, your time pursuing other endeavors. What are the professional benefits by Akamai? First one is working remotely or work from home, and next starting early and finishing early, starting late and finishing late. So what is the salary offered? It is 8 to 10 LPA. So what is the job location? So the permanent job location will be in Bangalore, but as of now work from home option is there. So guys, what you're waiting for? If you're meeting this eligibility criteria, right away go to the description, just click on the link and come to this page and apply now. So all the best guys. We are coming up with much more notification video for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.